Welcome to the installation video for the 5WU upright storage pullout. Before you begin, you'll need the following tools. In your box, you'll find one or more of the following upright storage pullouts, depending upon your specific order. To begin, disengage the pullout from the ball bearing slide by pressing the trigger on the underside of the unit and pulling the unit out. Repeat for all additional units. If you plan to install two pullouts positioned right up against each other, then unscrew the plastic bushing on the side of the wood base that will be next to the other unit and move it back to the second pilot hole. Re-secure to the base. This will allow the two units to be side by side. For a single unit, or for multiple units installed with a noticeable gap from each other, you do not need to do this step. Position the wood base of your storage pullout on the floor of the cabinet. Make sure you have enough clearance around the hinges, cabinet shelves, and face frame, if applicable, to use the product. You will need 12 inches from the floor of the cabinet to the bottom of the shelf above for use with half-height spice bottles. With 5-inch tall spice bottles, you will need 14 inches of space. One-tier pullouts require 6 inches of clearance. Ensure the wood base is square with the cabinet opening. Use 2 of the number 8 by 1 1/8 inch wood screws and secure. Push the pullouts onto the ball bearing slide until they hit the rubber stopper. Slide the pullouts in and out of the cabinet to ensure the ball bearing slides are engaged. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy your product for years to come.